Top 50 popular Bible verses from the book of Proverbs. Proverbs chapter 1, 7. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. Proverbs chapter 2, 20. So you will walk in the way of the good and keep to the paths of the righteous. Proverbs chapter 3, 5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make straight your paths. Proverbs chapter 3, 27. Do not withhold good from those to whom it is due, when it is in your power to do it. Proverbs chapter 4, 7. The beginning of wisdom is this: get wisdom, and whatever you get insight. Proverbs chapter 5, 21. For a man's ways are before the eyes of the Lord, and he ponders all his paths. Proverbs chapter 6, 20-22. My son, keep your father's commandment, and forsake not your mother's teaching. Bind them on your heart always, tie them around your neck. When you walk, they will lead you. When you lie down, they will watch over you. And when you awake, they will talk with you. Proverbs chapter 7, 2. Keep my commandments and live. Keep my teaching as the apple of your eye. Proverbs chapter 8, 13. The fear of the Lord is hatred of evil. Pride and arrogance and the way of evil and perverted speech I hate. Proverbs chapter 8, 17. I love those who love me, and those who seek me diligently find me. Proverbs chapter 9, 10. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, and the knowledge of the Holy One is insight. Proverbs chapter 10, 12. Hatred stirs up strife, but love covers all offenses. Proverbs chapter 10, 22. The blessing of the Lord makes rich, and He adds no sorrow with it. Proverbs chapter 10, 27. The fear of the Lord prolongs life, but the years of the wicked will be short. Proverbs chapter 11, 25. Whoever brings blessing will be enriched, and one who waters will himself be watered. Proverbs chapter 12, 19. Truthful lips endure forever, but a lying tongue is but for a moment. Proverbs chapter 12, 28. In the path of righteousness is life, and in its pathway there is no death.
Proverbs 13:12. Hope deferred makes the heart sick, but a desire fulfilled is a tree of life. Proverbs 13:24. Whoever spares the rod hates his son, but he who loves him is diligent to discipline him. Proverbs 14:26. In the fear of the Lord one has strong confidence, and his children will have a refuge. Proverbs 15:16. Better is a little with the fear of the Lord than great treasure and trouble with it. Proverbs 15:30. The light of the eyes rejoices the heart, and good news refreshes the bones.
Proverbs chapter 16, 16. How much better to get wisdom than gold? To get understanding is to be chosen rather than silver. Proverbs chapter 16, 18. Pride goes before destruction, and a haughty spirit before a fall. Proverbs chapter 16, 32. Whoever is slow to anger is better than the mighty, and he who rules his spirit than he who takes a city. Proverbs chapter 17, 9. Whoever covers an offense seeks love, but he who repeats a matter separates close friends. Proverbs chapter 17, 17. A friend loves at all times, and a brother is born for adversity. Proverbs chapter 18, 10. The name of the Lord is a strong tower, the righteous man runs into it and is safe. Proverbs chapter 18, 19. A brother offended is more unyielding than a strong city, and quarreling is like the bars of a castle. Proverbs chapter 18, 22. He who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. Proverbs chapter 19, 11. Good sense makes one slow to anger, and it is his glory to overlook an offense. Proverbs chapter 19, 17. Whoever is generous to the poor lends to the Lord, and He will repay him for his deed. Proverbs chapter 20, 13. Love not sleep, lest you come to poverty. Open your eyes, and you will have plenty of bread. Proverbs chapter 21, 31. The horse is made ready for the day of battle, but the victory belongs to the Lord. Proverbs chapter 22, 6. Train up a child in the way he should go, even when he is old he will not depart from it. Proverbs chapter 23, 18. Surely there is a future, and your hope will not be cut off. Proverbs chapter 24, 10. If you faint in the day of adversity, your strength is small. Proverbs chapter 25, 11. A word fitly spoken is like apples of gold in a setting of silver. Proverbs chapter 26, 17. Whoever meddles in a quarrel not his own is like one who takes a passing dog by the ears. Proverbs chapter 27, 8. Like a bird that strays from its nest is a man who strays from his home. Proverbs chapter 27, 21. The crucible is for silver, and the furnace is for gold, and a man is tested by his praise.
Proverbs 28, 13. Whoever conceals his transgressions will not prosper, but he who confesses and forsakes them will obtain mercy. Proverbs 28, 20. A faithful man will abound with blessings. Proverbs 29, 15. The rod and reproof give wisdom, but a child left to himself brings shame to his mother. Proverbs 29, 25. The fear of man lays a snare, but whoever trusts in the Lord is safe. Proverbs 30, 33. For pressing milk produces curds, pressing the nose produces blood, and pressing anger produces strife. Proverbs 31, 10. An excellent wife who can find? She is far more precious than jewels. Proverbs 31, 30. Charm is deceitful, and beauty is vain, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised.